Welcome to Lily Artist English. In today's video, I will show you how to paint a rose using double shade. Before proceeding further, if you are genuinely interested in fabric painting tutorials in English, make sure to subscribe. This is a very beautiful design and slightly advanced technique design, so it's not for complete beginners. We will be using double shading technique, so this tutorial is best for the viewers who already followed my earlier lesson and want to try more advanced designs. Let's begin. I am using flat brush and the color combination I'm using here is crimson, red, white, yellow, orange. You have to watch closely for the techniques. So in the last video I showed you how to paint each petal separately. Now I'm going to show you how to paint a larger design, or you have more element to paint and you want to do it quickly. I will do all the petals either clockwise or anti-clockwise, just like that. And I will start by painting my first color from one side. Watch carefully and I will point out the important tips as we go along, so you will understand it really well. If your design is larger, then the time management can become an issue, because otherwise it can take you a lot longer. That's why I'm telling you that if you have a good practice and control over your brush, you can paint 2 or 3 petals at the same time like this. And if you are not that practiced yet, no worries, it will take a bit more time and you can paint one petal at a time, alright? So I painted the entire outer layer using a combination of red and white. You can probably see the whole color combo there. For the darker shade I use maroon and yellow, right? Now you see I am changing the combination a bit and I am going to use yellow and white on the inner side. I was using a flat brush before, but now I have changed the brush to paint inside and I'm using a round brush here. You can use number 5 or 4 or even number 3 would be fine. For the first row, I did everything with a flat brush, but this one I did with a round brush. You can paint the rose with a flat or round brush depending upon your preference, but after painting, when you will start adding the detail, you have to use round brush only. This will give you a very beautiful effect, okay? After painting these 2 beautiful roses with double shade, I am going to paint the green part, and first of all I'm going to paint the leaves. So the color combination here I'm using is sap green, light green and white. Here we are painting leaf with the same color combination of green, but still you have to be careful and paint it beautifully so that your overall artwork will look beautiful. Okay, and after painting the leaf step by step, we have to add details in it, and for adding detail I'm using 0 number, or you can use 1 number brush and sap green color to add lines in the leaves to make it look more realistic. After that, I am here painting the birds of the design and using the same color combination yellow and red with the round brush. I always paint the little element of the design with round brush. Okay, and here is the complete look of our stunning design. I hope you will like this design. Let me know in the comment section and what you want to watch next. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.